Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. And your daily update on Bitcoin. There's enough to talk about again, so that's what we'll do. We'll mainly focus on the technicals. Perhaps, I believe there's some economic fundamentals at the very least we need to take a look at. The dollar strength index right now is very strong, which has obviously also contributed to the bearish momentum that we've seen for Bitcoin. But we'll focus on the technicals and we'll focus on what you can expect from here. All right. If you watched my videos or my video yesterday, you would have expected that we would drop down. I mean, after not successfully breaking above 29,700, and then after that also giving up the 200 and the 100 EMA, and just in general that 29,500. Level, it was to be expected to at least drop down to 29,000. So now the biggest question is, what we'll talk about in this video, is whether we can hold 29,000 for a little bit longer, or whether it's more likely to drop down to 28,400/300, which is our next major support level. So yeah, that's what we'll talk about. So let's get into it. Before we dive into Bitcoin specifically though, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I post my own trades. I'm a profitable trader. We have a trading community full of traders as well, and a trading guide which will actually teach you everything you need to know about trading. So really the basics up until advanced indicators and strategy. If you want to know more about that, you can just check out cilinix.com or the links down in the description. But now onto Bitcoin. So like I said, and what I started off with, the dollar strength index right now is quite bullish, so that's 100% not helping Bitcoin right now. I'm not even sure why this is this bullish. I mean, there's no clear reason for that, I believe. I mean, overall, sure, the interest rates are still going up, but that was also known before we had this massive sell-off. So yeah, it's a bit weird. Today we have the, well, actually not too big of news. We have the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims. Those might make the market move. Like if they are higher than expected, that's bullish. If they're lower than expected, that's bearish. But I'm not expecting too much. I mean, it might provide some volatility, but I don't expect it to really shake up market circumstances. Overall, like I said in the beginning as well, I think we got enough bearish confirmation yesterday to at least assume that we are now, I think the market structure, first of all, is still bearish, but I think we can also safely assume that we are back in this consolidation between 29,000 and 29,500. See, what could happen is if the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims are higher than expected, we might see a move up to 29,500. But at this point of time, like given the circumstances, Bitcoin looks very weak. So I'd say the most likely scenario is you know, that could be with some temporary continued consolidation, all right, in the area which we just talked about. But ultimately the most likely scenario is that we'll drop down to 28,400, where we have the 0.5 fib of this entire move up. So that's very strong. It's also a normal key level, as you can see. So that's the main price target, I would say. I'm considering buying from there, but there are a couple of other cryptos like XRP, which have so some strong buy areas at that kind of similar area. So yeah, I mean, that's what I expect for now. That it could still be invalidated, but I think that's unlikely. I think we have really, and I think that's also been technically confirmed, I think we have really started some sort of a bearish market structure. I'm not sure if it will be if it will be quick, like that we will have more crashes like these. But overall, I do still think that market structure is prevalent and that's still going on, and that will lead down to 28,400. Now, tomorrow is Friday. Friday is obviously a little bit more of a volatile day and more can happen then. So I'll be back with another update on that tomorrow. Right now, we're also dropping down pretty severely. But yeah, so this is what I expect. If you do have any questions, if you want to discuss it, let me know down in the comments. As you know, I'm always open for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.